What if managing your money was as simple as three numbers: 50, 30, 20? No complicated spreadsheets, no confusing financial jargon, just one simple rule that has helped millions of people take control of their finances and build a better future. This is the 50-30-20 rule, and it might completely change the way you think about money. 50% your needs. The first number is 50%. 50% of your income should go toward your essential expenses. These are the things you simply cannot live without: your rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and basic healthcare expenses. If your needs are taking more than 50% of your income, it may be time to reduce expenses or find ways to increase your income. Because when your essentials consume everything you earn, building wealth becomes incredibly difficult. 30%, your wants. 30% of your income is for enjoying life, dining out, entertainment, shopping, vacations, streaming subscriptions, and hobbies. These are not necessities. They are the things that make life enjoyable. But here's the problem. Many people accidentally turn their wants into needs, and that's exactly where financial stress begins. The third number is the most important one: 20%. 20% of your income should go toward your future: emergency savings, retirement accounts, paying off debt faster, and building long-term financial security. This is the money that works for you while you sleep, because small amounts saved consistently can grow into something surprisingly powerful over time. A simple example: imagine you earn $5,000 per month. $2,500 goes toward your needs, $1,500 goes toward your wants, and $1,000 goes toward savings and future goals. Simple, clear, effective. Why? This rule works. Most budgets fail because they are too strict. People give up after just a few weeks. But the 50-30-20 rule works because it creates balance. You can enjoy your money today while still protecting your future. It's simple enough to follow and flexible enough for real life. Final message: financial freedom doesn't begin when you become rich. It begins when you start managing the money you already have wisely. The 50-30-20 rule isn't about restriction. It's about giving every dollar a purpose. Start today, because your future self will thank you for it. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Cash Spark for more practical money tips and financial strategies. And remember, smart money, brighter future.